Congress leader and MP Rahul Gandhi is hit out at the Narendra Modi government, accusing it of weakening India. Rahul claimed that India had never been this vulnerable. The BJP hit right back, accusing Rahul Gandhi of using fake news as a domestic political tool, insisting it was a new low even by Rahul's standards. Our political bureau brings you this story.
Border politics has escalated once again. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and other Congress MPs staged a walkout of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, demanding a discussion on Doklam and other border issues. But the chair did not accept his demand. The meeting was to discuss cantonment boards. Rahul Gandhi wanted the meeting to reconvene and discuss the border issues, but that too was denied. This comes right after Rahul Gandhi hit out at the central government over reports of a fresh clash between Indian and Chinese forces at the LAC. Rahul Gandhi took to Twitter and slammed the Modi government, saying that the centre is using foreign and defence policy as a domestic political tool to weaken the country. This is not the first time Congress MP has questioned the centre's strategy in Ladakh. Rahul Gandhi has tweeted more than 10 times over the last 1 year and described the centre's actions as cowardly along the LAC. The BJP hit back at Rahul Gandhi. BJP IT cell head Amit Malviya took to Twitter to say using fake news, which has been rebutted by the Indian Army as a domestic political tool, is a new low, even by Rahul Gandhi's low standards.
Media reports of China building infrastructure along LAC is a disturbing and a worrying development, hurting India's national security interest. For the past 1 year, BJP has played a game of hide and seek with the people of India by keeping the entire nation in dark with regards to China's misadventures.
सत्ता का सुख भोगने के लिए गांधी परिवार के राहुल गांधी कुछ भी कर सकते हैं और ये रिपोर्ट पूरी तरह से गलत है, इसके तथ्य ठीक नहीं है और भारत की सेना ने भी इसका खंडन किया हुआ है.
The BJP also accused Rahul Gandhi of compromising India's national security. The Indian Army too released a statement denying any attempt by either side to occupy the areas where disengagement has been undertaken. The army said reports of fresh clashes are false and baseless. It also denied any clashes in Galwan or any other area as claimed.
We must believe only when information is put out by the Ministry of Defence or the armed forces. No one else, even an opposition or a ruling party politician statement or any veteran, they do not have the required inputs.
Still, there is a friction, there is a tense until and the Chinese go back to what they were in April 2020. India is putting pressure on China that they must also negotiate and disengage from Gogra, Hot Spring and Depsang.
As soldiers face off in Ladakh battle lines are clearly drawn ahead of the parliament session too.
The issue of eastern Ladakh and the Chinese PLA is back in focus after Rahul Gandhi has tweeted about the issue. Though Indian Army and the government have denied any incident of clash, this is a mark of escalation between the government and the opposition just ahead of the upcoming monsoon session. Whether this will take much of the centre stage is something to be watched out for. With camera person Ashok Bhanot, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.